In this command, I am trying to use listener control to view status of listener, but it doesn't work. Some error like TNS No Listener. To resolve this, I need to check some environment variable. And the first environment is Oracle Home. You can see here Oracle Home is point to the location of Oracle database. Then the second one, I need to check where the listener was started. You can see here our listener was start from this Oracle Home. However, the current Oracle Home is point to another location. We had two home, at least two home in this computer. So I need to change the current Oracle Home variable to this Oracle Home. To change this, I will use the command export Oracle Home equal the new location. If you use this command to see Oracle Home, you will see Oracle Home change to another location now. This location same with the Oracle Home we already started. So now I re-execute the command listener control status. So it's working now. You can see our listener is working with handle some instance, ASM instance, and our regular database instance. So in this case, it's just a different variable environment. So to resolve it, we just need to change the location of Oracle Home variable.